Happy Easter, everyone. Hi, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is April 16th, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. U.S. stock market get into correction. I'm currently stopped out most of the stocks and all ETFs, and I'm mostly in cash. Let's take a look at the indices. German DAX index is still in uptrend. Nasdaq closed below 50-day moving average for the first time for a pretty long time, for like a few months, several months. This is the first time closed below 50-day moving average. And you can see from the chart, seems like the market is about to roll over. We don't know what the next support is yet. Well, actually, next support might be 57.69. See if the market can find support there. If the market were to break 57.69, then we don't know where the support is. It could just continue to go down. So for now, it's good to keep cautious, to be very careful. SP 500 also break below 50-day moving average. It's almost reached the previous low here. We should see on Monday whether they can rebound from here. If it cannot rebound, then it will just continue to go down, which is very likely. And the trend is already gone down for the SP 500. You see this lower peak, lower highs, and lower lows. So we're in correction right now. Gold shoot up. So this is a time you might want to buy some gold. And GLD is an ETF for the physical gold. And silver, SLV is a ETF for the physical silver. Silver also may go up here. Gold mining stock is running up but hit the resistance. It may oscillating and consolidating around this area. We should see. Crude oil also rebounded, but looks like it get into the previous resistance area. Shanghai Stock Exchange, this is China stock index. It's in this slow uptrend. It is in uptrend, but it moves slowly. FXI is the China ETF. However, the China ETF doesn't seem as good as the Asia index. It's close below 50-day moving average. Semiconductor, here's another sign the market is rolling over. Semiconductor had been in a very strong uptrend for a long time, but now looks like it's going down. So I bought SMH, but I got stopped out. So right now it's going down. So we have to be very careful with the high tech. Well, semiconductor is a leader in the high tech, so the whole thing, it just there are more risk in the market right now. Social media index is still in uptrend, but giving other index performance, and it won't be surprised to see it also roll over. Utility is still in the uptrend. So that's the market index, and we should take a look at the stocks. And the stocks hasn't changed much. The stocks in the buy range, they remain in the buy range, and the stocks are in a they're overextended. They remain out of buy range, but we should see from the chart there's some, some signs and may not, the stocks may not be a best place to be in right now. Alibaba is still in the uptrend. Alibaba is not being affected by the market that much yet. So it may be affected later, but we don't know yet. But for now, it seems okay. FrontNet and consolidating. It's not going anywhere. PRI consolidating. So in this market, the best you see is the ones doesn't drop too much, but also they don't go up much either. Skyworks Solution pull back to the 50-day moving average. So there's really no reason to buy those stocks. I'm just show you their charts and see how they're performing. It's not advertised to buy those stocks. Definitely not. Because market is going through correction, it's better to stay out of the stocks and for a little while. Apple still uptrend, but you can see the volume pick up a little bit, and as the market go up, Sorry, as the market came down, the volume pick up. On the down days, market is going down. On the down days, the volume is high than the up days. So that means they're selling. There's a selling going on here. So looks like about to roll over. Adobe, same thing, correcting down. The volume on the down days picked up a little bit, not much yet. There's no serious selling in Adobe. Applied Materials roll over. You see this didn't reach the previous high. Microtechnology and also seems about to roll over. VEV not going anywhere. So those are the strongest stocks in the market, and they're not doing so great. And so we don't really have, there's no advantage to buy stock right now. Let me show you another stock. It's in the news lately. It's a United Continental Airline. These stocks looks like if you want to short something, this can be a stock to short or buy put option or sell the call option. So this is a bearish play. The stock previously went down already, but it's tried to rebound and hit 50-day moving average. There's no reason for this stock to go up. Okay, there are more reasons for United Airlines stock to go down than for it to go up. Therefore, compared with all other stocks, this could be a short candidate. But again, even when you short a stock, you need to have a stop order. Means if the stock actually turn up, go above $72.10, which is previous high here. If this stock has whatever reason it go up, close above 50-day moving average or reach the previous high, that would be the time to close any short position in this stock. So that's it. And what to do in this market? I would just stay in cash. And if you want to short a little bit, you could short a little bit, but be careful. Control the position size when you short, and never enter the short position when the market has a panic day, when the market sell off. That's usually a day that market bottom out. So just the sentiment, watch for the sentiment. Whenever everybody is talking about, market will continue to go down, that probably is the end of the downtrend. But I don't see that's happening right now. I see the market probably will continue correct for a little while. That's all for this week. See you next week.